इधर मैसेज आ गया, मैसेज से बैठी रही।
Yes, please.
होगा मैं बंद कर दूंगा।
Paul, I am grateful for everything you did to try and make our marriage work. Because 10 years of marriage means you did try. Third, Paul, I am grateful to you for our children. The joy I receive from them every day could not be without you. Fourth, Paul, I am grateful to you for the hard work and long hours you put into support our family while I was at home taking care of our children. It was a big responsibility to have all of us dependent on you. So thank you. Fifth, Paul, I am grateful to you for the precious moment I had with our children as they grew up. I got to see our children talk and walk for the first time, and I know you didn't have the opportunity. Six, Paul, I am grateful for your support when I went through difficult time of grief and loss. Seven, Paul, I am grateful to you for the times when I was sick and you did your best to take care of me and the children. 8, Paul, I am grateful for the great times we had, and we did have many. 9, Paul, I am grateful that you want to continue to be father to our children. 10th, Paul, I am grateful for your support and the time you want to give to our children. I know they mean as much to you as they do to me. By the time you have finished your gratitude list of 10 things, you should feel much better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point you want to reach is where you don't have any bad feelings toward the person anymore, because it's your life that is harmed by those feelings. Every relationship is different, and if need be, you may choose to repeat this magical practice over several days until you reach the point where you don't have any bad feelings toward this person anymore. If you are using gratitude's magical power to improve a current relationship, you will see the relationship begin to change miraculously before our eyes. Before your eyes. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude, but it is the person who uses gratitude who receives the benefits in their whole life. If you choose a past if you choose a past relationship where you are not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel a peace and happiness fill you, and at the same time you will see other current relationships in your life magically improve. In the future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use this magical practice immediately. You will stop the difficulties before they get any bigger, and instead you will increase the magic in the relationship.
Okay, so this
Magic.
talks about that whenever there is any challenge, because challenges तो आएंगे, but whenever there is any challenge, what you see is you start seeing that the situation is going to improve by your being grateful for that situation. Whatever the situation is, जैसे अभी इन्होंने पीछे example दिए, she gave examples on some past relationship of spouse. So where the relationship was no more, but still whatever good she could find from that relationship, to start writing that. कुछ तो अच्छा होगा. And when you write them, you start creating more situations in your life where you could be grateful for. Yes, please. Magic practice number 15.
Magically heal your relationships. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. Sit down and Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Write it down in the following way. Name, I'm grateful for.
तो आपको कोई भी एक डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लमेटिक रिलेशन पास्ट का हो या अभी का वो चूज करना है एंड यू राइट 10 थिंग्स फॉर विच यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल. जब आप बैठेंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें दिमाग में आएंगी अच्छी भी बुरी, बट यू पिक व्हाट यू थिंक इज यू नो यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस. कुछ अच्छा हो, हाइट अच्छी थी या स्माइल अच्छी थी या बात अच्छे से करते थे, या खाने में हेल्प कर देते थे, या whatever, you used to chat over the phone, whatever good things, or they supported you at the time when you most needed it. कुछ भी अच्छा अच्छा आप ढूंढ के उसमें अब वो 10 gratitude statements लिखती, उसमें पहले नाम आएगा, फिर I am grateful for what is that thing which you are grateful for. Yes.
What? Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Okay. Thank you, Sandeep, for reading so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So, any questions on this, or otherwise we move ahead? I just have to show you one more. Any questions anyone wants to ask about the assignment, about the chapter? कोई आपका concern है? It's an open session, and let's make it interactive. Your views on the chapter. कभी आपने ऐसा experience share करा? मतलब, if you want to share that experience. Yeah, some past relationship जो आपको लगा उन्होंने बहुत help करी, and this chapter reminded you of that experience. So please share. Anyone else would like to share? आपको कैसा लग रहा है? What is your takeaway from this, from the session today, from this video? See, if you are stuck anywhere in life, it means something is, troubling you. There is some challenge. There is some challenge. So you need to understand that you are holding on to something. आप पास्ट की बेड़ियों से बाहर निकलना है. You are still holding on to your past. And how can you come out of that? By understanding what was the best thing that you can relate with in your past. And being grateful for what you had at that time and what you have right now. Because right now is the most important, precious moment of your life, which has been gifted to you by the universe. So please do the assignment as given, and so that you understand better and it magnetizes in your life, and you start creating abundance and happiness in your life. Because if your relationships are better and stronger and healthier, then you will always be happy in life. That is the power of being grateful. Okay. The timing for this session is, Kiranji, it is 4 to 5. I'm also planning to change the time from 5 to 6. I think from Saturday I will do that. You can give me your inputs, but most probably I would like to change from 5 to 6. There are few people have told me to change the time. So if you have any concerns, you can please tell me. Till tomorrow, it is 4 to 5.
This is the best time.
This is a good time? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other questions you want to ask or share? You can talk about your past experiences. See, this is a platform where we all can share. Or we as a community can support each other. क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई किसी को judge नहीं करे. There's nobody to judge him. And I'll be your trainer and counselor here. So you can share with me what all feeling. You can PM me whenever you want, or you can call me, talk to me to understand better. But I can also explain to you what all I have done. All right. Because I also used to feel that my parents they love my siblings more. But then gradually I realized that it is my perspective. Things are not like that. So before concluding today's class, I would like to do affirmations with you today, if you're all in for that. Affirmation is a wonderful way of practicing. And on this platform, I'll be giving you and explaining to you various techniques and tools. I'll show you the direction and then you can follow your path. We'll be doing different areas of our life, talking about health, money, relationships, how to magically transform your life, how to take charge of your life, and to start doing what you need to do, and to start planning your day accordingly as you want. So, should we do? It will take just 2-3 minutes. Yeah?
Okay,
I'm sure.
okay.
Okay. So, you all need to close your eyes for that. Yes, Aditi is also saying yes. It's a positive affirmations that I'll be doing with you for these are very powerful affirmations which we do for relationship. So there are different affirmations, there are different techniques जो हम manifest करते हैं. Here we are talking about law of attraction, which talks about how you ask, how you believe in it, and how you receive. So every day I'll talk about different topics and relate to it with the power of the universe, the law of the universe. So there are different laws, and we'll talk about different laws and relate it to that topic. We will read, dwell, and implement them in our lives. All right, so please close your eyes. Good to see you, Ashadi.
Same here.
Okay. All of you, please close your eyes. It will just take 2 minutes because then you will understand. Whatever I am speaking now, please take this as a very powerful, and you can use these affirmations in the morning because they will help you to carry it out throughout your day. और जहां पर भी आपको महसूस हो रहा है कि कहीं रिलेशनशिप में या किसी भी सिचुएशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, you can keep on continuing giving your gratitude for the best moments of your life and keep on giving gratitude with the power of affirmations. Today I'm doing affirmations. Tomorrow again I will do some other techniques with you. All right. Please close your eyes. All my relationships are long term and offer a positive and healthy experience. I deserve affection and happiness in abundance. I love those around me and I love myself. I only attract healthy relationships. I love my life. I would like you that when I'm speaking these, please feel also whatever word I'm speaking. I'm so thankful for my partner. There is some noise, please mute. Induji. Okay. I am so thankful for my family. I'm so thankful for my parents. I'm so thankful for my children and how caring and supportive they are. I open myself to the love I'm getting from the universe. All relations in my life are growing stronger and healthier every day. I am confident, self-assured, and full of charisma. I am attracting many dreams for my future. Happiness begins with me and me alone. I inhale positivity and exhale negativity. I have the power to create my own happiness. I let go of my past experiences if needed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please open your eyes.
Thank you for this wonderful session, Sangeeta. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. pleasure is mine. Okay, so thank you all for joining, for being here. And anybody would like to add on to this, something you want to say? What is the learning from today's class? Because we have to learn to hold on to, not to the experience, but to the learning. हमने किस experience से, किस relationship से क्या सीखा? That is what it is about today. So, anyone would like to share? Or we conclude today's class? Okay, I'm just seeing the chat. Induji, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're doing a great job, yeah.
Thank you. Ji.
Excellent. Yeah.
I
Too
really
good.
wanted to create
Too good. It's really too good. Unfortunately, I couldn't come on the video earlier because of back-to-back some other meeting was there. So some condolence was going on. So I was attending that as well. And here I was muting the video, and on the laptop I was
But
making that
wonderful that you
possible.
joined today. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Both I just joined parallelly. It's really great,
Okay.
amazing. And the videos you shared were really wonderful.
Thank you.
Great, great learning.
Multitasking woman. Induji, multitasking woman.
Oh no, 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 no.
Okay. So, who else?
So
Sharing
great to
Shraddha
see
ji.
you also, Ashoji.
Shraddha ji saying this session has definitely helped me a lot. Beautiful preaching.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shraddha ji. Aditi,
Okay, thanks to
I'm
you,
glad
Sangeeta.
you-
Love you. Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here.
Hats off. Salute.
Thank you. I'm
Great,
glad
great
to
going.
be- Yeah, Aditi,
Keep it up.
thank you. You will join in more of my sessions. Okay.
Surely, surely. You
Aditi
just keep
saying-
me sending these links. I'll be
I will.
joining these.
I will definitely.
Okay.
Aditi is
Okay,
saying,
thank you.
I'm
Thank-
glad to be part of this group, learning new things to remain positive, which is essential in time of COVID. Yes, Aditi. So that is what is my, I really want to make difference in people's life. I'll be sharing new concepts, new, different areas of life I'll be touching, and wish you all a great magical day. So we conclude our class today. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.
Thank you.
Take
Thank
care.
you, Didi.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye.
Thank
Okay.
you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.